this empty space. No nights when I roam, searching for a place called home. With every step, I'm more